Hi everybody, in this video, I will show you an extremely profitable crypto scalping strategy that will grow your small account rapidly. You probably have never seen this strategy before, so make sure you watch this video till the end and understand it properly. I'm going to be explaining the strategy and the indicators used in it in detail, and we'll also see some false signal and how we can identify them and stay away from them. I'm also going to be sharing some amazing tips and techniques that will help you maximize your profits, so make sure you watch the video till the end. If you guys are interested in amazing free buy and sell trades, make sure to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. So I'm in TradingView, and I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. This is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'll quickly cross these out so I can explain everything from the beginning. We are going to be using 3 indicators for this strategy. Let's go ahead and add our indicators to the chart. For the first indicator, we will choose SSL Extendido. We're going to add this one to our chart by Neil Ramos. For the second indicator, let's search for Whole Suite. After this indicator is added to our chart, we'll add our third indicator. Our third and final indicator is going to be Volume Flow. This one by Lazy Bear. These are all the indicators we will need for this strategy. Now we will change settings for these indicators. First of all, we will access the settings for Whole Suite indicator. In the input section, we will change the length from 55 to 100 and the length multiplier from 1 to 3. This is going to be it for this indicator. We're not going to change the settings on the SSL indicator. All the inputs will stay on default. Now we need to access the settings on a volume flow indicator. We will change the max volume cutoff from 2.5 to 1.5. We will also change the signal length from 5 to 30, also in the style section. Let's make the lines more visible. This way it's going to be easy to read. So these are all the settings that we need to do. Now that our strategy is complete, let's get into the trading rules for this strategy. But before we do that, let's just quickly go through what main functions these indicators will play in our strategy. First, let's start with the Whole Suite indicator. This is a confirmation indicator that will help us determine the long-term trend. If the price action is closed above the Whole Suite line and the line is colored in green, the market is considered in an uptrend. And if the price action is closed below the Whole Suite and the line is colored in red, the market is considered in a downtrend. For the second confirmation indicator, we're going to be using this SSL indicator. This indicator is designed to catch the short-term momentum in the price action. This indicator consists of 2 bands, the baseline and these triangles. Every time we have a new triangle printed on an indicator, this is considered as a new buy or sell signal. And lastly, we're going to be using the volume flow indicator to confirm the signals from these indicators. It's a really powerful tool, and you should definitely add it to your favorites. If you also want to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, then take a look at the exchange BitGet. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can even use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. You can find the link to BitGet below this video. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to monitor multiple cryptocurrencies at once. BitGet is giving away a one-time deposit bonus of up to $3,999. Press the link below this video to sign up. Now, let's get back to our video. So now that our chart is set and we know what role our indicators are going to play in our strategy, let's get into the rules for this strategy. So here are the rules for entering a buy trade. Number 1, we're only going to be looking to buy if the price is closed above the Whole Suite indicator and the line is colored in green. Number 2, the SSL has to print a new green triangle, just like this one. And finally, the volume flow indicator has to be bullish, which means the green line has to be above the orange line, and they both have to be positioned above the 0 level. If all these conditions are met, we can safely enter a buy position. So we'll get into this trade at this candle. Our stop loss will be set slightly below the recent swing low, and we're going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk. And for this take profit target, our trade would have been a profitable one. Now, before we go through more examples of buy trade, let's go through rules for entering a sell trade first. So exactly opposite is true for a sell trade. We're only going to be looking to sell if the price is closed below the Whole Suite and the line is colored red. The SSL has to issue a new red triangle. This is going to be our second confirmation signal. For final confirmation, we want the volume flow indicator to be bearish. This means the orange line has to be above the green line, and they both have to be positioned below the 0 level. So these are all the rules for entering a sell trade. As all the rules are confirmed here, we'll enter this trade. We will place our stop loss slightly above the recent swing high. And you can see this trade would have been an amazing profitable trade for a risk to reward ratio of 5.5. This is a pretty amazing strategy, but you will need to stay patient and wait for perfect trades. This means you will only enter a specific trade only if all the rules explained are confirmed. If only one rule is not confirmed, we will not enter that specific trade and wait for all the indicators to give us these signals again. For example, we can see the volume flow indicator is bearish and the SSL indicator issued a sell signal, but the price is not below the whole sweet line, so we will not enter this trade. Now let's go through one more example for both buy and sell trade so that you guys can fully understand the strategy. Before that, if you guys are interested in amazing free buy and sell trade, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Right here we see our system just issued a new sell signal. We can see the price is above the whole sweet line and the line is red. We got a buy signal, and down here our volume indicator is bearish. So we will get in this trade and set our stop loss at the recent swing high. And for a risk to reward ratio of 1.5, this would have been a profitable trade. Here we can see we have a good buy example. We got a buy signal. The price is above the whole sweet line and the line is green. And finally, down here we have all the signs confirmed for bullish momentum. So we'll place a buy position at the close of this candle. Our stop loss will be right here, and for a risk to reward ratio of 1.5, this would have been a successful trade. So basically, that's the gist of this strategy. I would recommend you guys to use this strategy in your trading, but before that make sure to backtest it yourself on whichever market you like to trade on. If you guys liked this strategy, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.